Hey guys, what's happening today? Today's tutorial, I want to give a real quick rundown on how ordered and unordered lists work in HTML. Basically, lists are any way to present, a list of data. So let's say we want to say the name of cars. We'll do an unordered list to start. Basically, with an OL tag, we are able to put in here any of the list items we want. So with the LI, that's a list item. We're able to say, so let's just name a couple cars. Ford, um, create another LI for list item. We'll put Chevy, and we'll go over here to create another list item, and we'll put Toyota. So basically what this has done, guys, is it's basically created this ordered list. 1, 2, 3, and we can continue. We can continue Volkswagen. HTML is going to draw out another list item. Now the other way to do this is an unordered list, which is essentially a list that is just not numbered. So let's go unordered list, which is UL, and then within those tags, we need to create our list item again, and we'll just do cars again. Ford. I'm going to copy this to, oops. I'm going to copy this just so that we don't have to type as much. Chevy and Toyota. And what you'll see now over here on the HTML is that we have what we call an unordered list, which is basically these dots. So guys, those are ordered lists and unordered lists. Surprisingly, you'll come across them a lot in HTML. They're pretty simple concept to understand. So play around with them, have fun. Again, we're trying to get some subscribes and likes and shares. So if you did like this, give it a like and a subscribe. Take care, guys.